It's time to talk about Avalanche again, because Avalanche has truly gained popularity among cryptocurrency investors. The reason being is its robust ecosystem, low transaction fees, and flexible DeFi options. Now, its value has dramatically increased in the fourth quarter of 2023, skyrocketing from $9 per token to $48 and currently trading at $60 per token. Now, total value locked on Avalanche crossed the $1 billion mark, peaking at $1.5 billion on December the 23rd, and is at $1.2 billion at the time of shooting. With its innovative approach to consensus, Avalanche offers unparalleled speed, scalability, and security. Avalanche's ecosystem is rapidly expanding, attracting developers, enterprises, and users from around the world, and large financial corporations. It supports a wide range of applications from decentralized finance to non-fungible tokens and way beyond, enabling developers to build efficient, secure, and innovative solutions on a very robust platform. So in today's video, I want to give you some insight on Avalanche's network, latest news and updates, and why I think you can remain extremely optimistic in 2024 and especially beyond. Furthermore, in the end, we're going to look at some future price predictions and see what the sentiment is like. Just in case you're new to crypto, well then let me start off with the obvious. Get yourself educated as fast as possible, because the market is poised to take off. And it is with great conviction and hard work that I try to provide you top quality projects. So do me a favor, hit the like, subscribe to the channel, join the live streams when they are on. There you can learn a lot so that you can become among the top 1%. My name is Nico Arachi, and I'm the host of the littlest crypto channel on the interweb. The live AVAX price today, the day of shooting, is almost at $60, and the current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 9 with a live market cap of more than 22 billion. Now that's a lot of market cap, but it still has room to grow. And now let's get into the news. And I gotta warn you, there's quite a bit of news, but it is fantastic news. So really, please pay attention. You see, one of Avalanche's main initiatives for 2023 was to onboard institutions and enterprises onto the network. And in second quarter, evergreen subnets launched, which allow anyone to create a subnet with customizable KYC and AML requirements and unique privacy capabilities. Now, if you don't know what KYC and AML is, well, it is what the banks need in order to verify new clients. KYC knows for know your customer. Anyway, so in fourth quarter, Avalanche announced the following partnerships related to Evergreen. Number 1, in November 2023, none other than JP Morgan announced that its bank-led blockchain platform Onyx would be utilizing Layer 0 to connect to a permissioned Evergreen subnet. Now, this collaboration was part of a broader initiative called Project Guardian, which is a collaboration between the Monetary Authority of Singapore and the financial industry. Now, through this partnership, WisdomTree Prime demonstrated a proof of concept where it could facilitate subscriptions and redemptions for its fund product offerings. Also in November 2023, Avalanche announced that Citigroup used permissioned Evergreen subnets to execute foreign exchange swaps as a part of Project Guardian. Now, this application being built could be used for trading any currency pair. Outside of Evergreen, Republic launched Republic Note, which is a profit-sharing digital asset that represents investments in over 750 different companies. And this is on INX Group's Avalanche-powered trading platform. Now, trading for the Republic Note went live on December the 6th, and this initiative was a part of the Avalanche Foundation's Vista program, which is a $50 million program that aims to tokenize real-world assets and bring them onto the Avalanche network. And late in February 2024, Citigroup has teamed up with AVALabs, other traditional financial institutions, and digital asset companies to complete a proof of concept for tokenizing private equity funds. Now, the partners, they tested smart contracts to enforce distribution rules for a simulated fund. They used a variety of methods to verify identities provided by WisdomTree, which is a simulating platform on the permissioned Avalanche Evergreen Spurs subnet. and partnered with DTCC Digital Assets to use a private fund token as collateral in an automated lending contract. Then the resulting loan was subject to a haircut and collateralization ratio set based on the pool parameters. Sounds a lot like a smart contract and what we are doing in the crypto industry already, right? We're really seeing how traditional is migrating on to the blockchain. And on March the 6th, 2024, Avalanche released Durango Upgrade, which unveils Teleporter to boost subnet interoperability. So Avalanche developers launched the Teleporter to enhance communication across its subnet ecosystem. And Teleporter aims to unify Avalanche's network of application-specific change, addressing network fragmentation. Furthermore, it's built on the Avalanche WAP messaging system and supports EVM-compatible subnets, particularly the C-chain. And now we've got two further pieces of news, also big ones, when it comes to ticketing. You see, the ticketing arm of the United States-based sports magazine, Sports Illustrated, well, they're moving their non-fungible token ticketing platform called Box Office from the Polygon blockchain to Avalanche, almost 10 months after its launch. Now just imagine that. It's a big blow for Polygon and a very nice thing for Avalanche. However, the partnership will allow the NFT ticketing platform to mint their NFT tickets using the Avalanche blockchain. And Avalanche will also assist Box Office in transforming event tickets into dynamic content in order to engage with the buyer. Furthermore, the Empire State Building are launching NFT Loyalty program also on Avalanche using UpTop. So the iconic Empire State Building is soaring into the digital age with a novel partnership with UpTop, which is a Web3 loyalty and rewards platform. So this collaboration aims to elevate the visitor experience by leveraging non-fungible tokens as both keepsakes and keys to exclusive perks. NFTs, they will be built on Avalanche, unlocking greater speed and security for the more than 4 million annual visitors to New York's most iconic building. I haven't been there, have you? Let me know if it was so iconic. Well, furthermore, MapleStory, which is one of the most legendary games from Korea's largest game studio, Nexon, is now coming to Avalanche with MapleStory on a subnet. MapleStory was one of the first games to popularize the free-to-play business model. Now, the famous MMORPG, I don't know what that is innovating again with an emphasis on user-generated content that players truly own. So now players are able to add their footprint to the Maple universe, creating worlds and items by being rewarded for doing so. In fact, most of MapleStory's items will be created by players. That's also a good way of increasing and building the meta world. And the last piece of news is that the Avalanche Foundation on March 14 said it had deployed capital into 5 Avalanche-based tokens based on certain criteria, and that it intends to continue such investments in the future. And the picks are the dog-themed Kimbo, chicken-themed Cock-Ino, gecko-themed Gecko, and technology joke token Tech, and AVAX has no chill, with the ticker no chill. Now, these tokens were issued in the past few months and saw daily cumulative trading volumes of millions of dollars. The meme coins jumped as much as 60% after Avalanche's disclosure, beating the general market-wide drop. Just be careful with those meme coins, right? Because they might go up, but I can guarantee you that they will come down quicker than you and I can even go in the lift from the top of the Empire State Building. Anyway, let's move on to the final thing of this video, and that is the future price predictions. And the first one comes from Wallet Investor, and they believe we're going to see a high 2024 of $85.95 and $121 in 2025. Second one comes from Trading Beasts, and they're seeing a high in 2024 of $60 and $71 in 2025. So this could be the high if, according to Trading Beasts. The last one comes from digitalcoin.com, and they are predicting that the price will hit $134 in 2024 and $158 in 2025. So before we end, I always like to give my 2 cents on the dollar, but I think that JP Morgan and Citigroup, I don't think you need my 2 cents on the dollar. I think they gave their dollar on the dollar. Obviously, it's good to see how Avalanche is attracting major global players onto the blockchain. Having said that, I'm extraordinarily optimistic when it comes to Avalanche, but since we have already seen this increase in price coming from $9 up to $60, I'm not sure it's gonna, offer this 1000% if that's what you're looking for. But I think it's a great blue chip. But remember, it's always better to look below, not just at the blockchain, but look at the smaller projects that are building on Avalanche. Maybe we should do that in the next video. Let me know what you think. That's all for now. And the last thing, please, everything I say and do should not be considered financial advice, because I don't know shit about crypto and I own nothing, and I'm pretty happy. Remember, my portfolio that I manage is all betties. Stay home, stay safe, don't think it can cause depression, as you know. And don't forget, Kitty, she loves you.